crude oil, long-term forecast for the week of March 25th, fxempire.com. The light sweet crude market, as you can see, fell for most of the week, but found enough support in the 92 area to bounce back over 93 and form a hammer. What's interesting from a longer term perspective on this chart is the fact that we are starting to form, at least in our opinion, what appears to be a bit of a symmetrical triangle. So, in other words, we don't know which way this market would break, but looking at this chart, it does definitely look like we are tightening up. And generally, when that happens, you eventually get some type of breakout move. This could be due to some type of financial shock, or it could be due to the economy getting better. With all of the raging headlines, though, it does make us nervous. However, in the meantime, we think that a break above the top of the candle, which is roughly 94.50, should have us looking for 96, 97, and even as high as 99 before it's all said and done. Certainly, selling this market is not what we want to do right now because of the fact that we have not only that hammer, but we do have a hammer-ish candle just below. So we think the path of least resistance is most certainly to the upside. Looking at the Brent market, it's a completely different story. As you can see, we sold off and actually sold below the bottom of the hammer for the session last week. This is a very bearish sign, and it looks to us like the spread between these two contracts are starting to narrow. Historically, you would see a spread where Brent was typically about $7 to $10 more a barrel, and then during the financial crisis, everything went crazy, and we started seeing $20, $25. Well, looking at this now, it looks like we're trying to come back to the norm a little bit. Nonetheless, this market looks weak. It looks like now that we've broken through this, we could be seeing prices as low as 104, maybe even 103 before it's all said and done. So we do think that the two spreads are going to come together. And as such, if you were a truly aggressive trader, you could actually short Brent, go long light sweet crude. Nonetheless, we are not interested in buying this market until we get above the $111 level.